You could buy an existing company with its established customer base, stable of trained employees, and proven cash flow. Or you could start a company from scratch and bootstrap it. Starting from scratch may be best for the entrepreneur with a groundbreaking idea. On the other hand, those who aspire to make their own hours or seek more immediate cash flow may be better off taking over an established business, said Patrick Sitter, Executive Director of the United States Association for Small Business and Entrepreneurship, which fosters, teaches, and researches entrepreneurship. Buying an existing business or an existing business asset can also work when that business has something you need to run more smoothly, said Alan Pink-Ovey. For the example, one of Pink's clients bought a valuable restaurant because it had a valuable lease in the right location, even though he closed it and reopened as a lobster roll eatery. Small business activity in the U.S. rose in all states except Tennessee in 2015. According to Entrepreneurship research by the Kaufman Foundation, it also found that entrepreneurial activity increased by the largest year-over-year amount in 2 decades in 2015. Financing a business acquisition can be easier because of the company's documented financial history and assets, say Jay Martin, head of small business banking for TD Bank. So a lender would also evaluate the buyer's qualifications to operate the business and whether the company's success is dependent on the seller's involvement. Business buyers may also take advantage of seller-held financing, which may have more flexible